Try to name all these brain rot memes. Level impossible. Starting with this one. Mateo! Can you name this one? Tung 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 sahur. Name this one. Glorbo. Frutto drillo. Send this video to someone that looks like Glorbo. Frutto drillo. Try this one. Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim. If you got all of them so far, drop a like and comment at the end of the video saying how many you got correct. Woo! Now here's another one. Name this one. Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. What one is this? Liri lari la. Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. If you got all of them correct so far, you need to drop a follow. Now here's the last question. Who is this? Put your guesses in the comments.